Where Testudy began. When we built Testudy, we built it to help you revise. You'd bring your notes, and we'd turn them into quizzes and flashcards so you could test yourself. And that worked. But it meant you had to learn the material somewhere else first. We helped you with half the journey, so we went back and rebuilt everything. This is new Testudy. Type any topic, something from your syllabus, something you're curious about, anything, and you're learning. Not setting up, not organizing notes, actually learning with structured lessons that take you from I don't get this to I've got it. That's the part that was missing. Now it's not. And here's the thing. Everyone learns differently. So every course works in multiple modes. Read through it in learn mode when you need to go deep. Switch to bite mode when you want to test yourself. The flashcards and spaced repetition you already know from Testudy, now built right into every course. Or put your phone away and switch to audio mode. Learn on your commute, at the gym, while you cook. No screen needed.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Introduction to Organic Chemistry.
Same course, same progress. You pick the way that fits your moment. And one more thing. Every course comes with a personal study assistant. Stuck on something? Just ask. It knows your course material inside out and explains things until they actually click. Like having a tutor available whenever you need one. No more struggling to understand. No more being stuck at midnight frantically looking for answers. Just ask. Testudy used to help you revise. Now it helps you learn. The new Testudy is here. Try it for free.